Join me as I dive into the impact of social dilemmas on our biology today and see if I can uncover some surprising truths. Social dilemmas are essentially conflicts between our individual interests and the greater good. In today's digital age, these dilemmas are more prevalent than ever, affecting not just our social behaviors but also our biological systems. From the way we interact on social media to how we respond to online information, every click and every share has a profound impact on our biology. The challenges posed by social dilemmas are vast. Increased anxiety and depression are just the tip of the iceberg. We're also seeing altered social interactions, where people are more likely to engage in online echo chambers rather than meaningful conversations. This can lead to a sense of isolation, even when we're more connected than ever. Our brains are wired to respond to social threats, and constant exposure to these threats can rewire our brains in ways that are detrimental to our health. The impact on our mental health is clear, but what about our physical health? Research has shown that chronic stress can lead to inflammation, which is linked to a host of diseases from heart disease to diabetes. And it's not just stress. Our behaviors influenced by social dilemmas can also have a direct impact on our physical health. For example, people who spend more time on social media are less likely to engage in physical activity. These challenges are complex and multifaceted, making them difficult to address. However, by understanding the root causes, we can begin to develop strategies to mitigate their effects. So, what's happening behind the scenes in our bodies when we face these social dilemmas? Our hormonal balance is one of the first things to be affected. Cortisol levels skyrocket when we're under stress, which can have a cascade effect on our overall health. Our brain chemistry also changes with decreased levels of serotonin and dopamine, leading to feelings of sadness and disconnection. This can affect our sleep patterns, our appetite, and even our immune function. The impact on our brain chemistry is particularly concerning, as it can lead to long-term changes in our brain structure. When we're constantly exposed to stresses, our brain can adapt in ways that are detrimental to our health. For example, the amygdala, which is responsible for processing emotions, can become overactive, leading to increased anxiety. But here is a key insight. A recent study found a direct link between social media engagement and changes in brain structure. The more time people spent on social media, the more pronounced the changes were. This is a wake-up call for all of us, as it highlights the urgent need to address these social dilemmas. The study's findings are a stark reminder of the impact of social dilemmas on our biology. By understanding these mechanisms, we can begin to develop strategies to protect our health. In summary, social dilemmas are having a profound impact on our biology, from increased anxiety and depression to altered social interactions and physical health. It's essential that we address these challenges head-on by developing strategies to mitigate their effects. If you've experienced the impact of social dilemmas on your own biology, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Also, if you're interested in learning more about mental health strategies, be sure to check out my video on mindfulness and meditation. I think you'll find it really helpful.